Pagkakaliway, Steve Balota.
So, yun lang sa I've been dreading this moment because it's very hard to talk about elections for me. It's the unfortunate sequel of Levi, for those who know. It's not fun for people like me na nakaranas ng human rights violation ng martial law na makita yung nangyari ng 2022. So I spent the majority of the time after thinking about paano ba natin matutulungan yung political process natin dito sa Pilipinas. And along the way, I've discovered hundreds of stories of electoral violence, corruption, murder, vote buying. So ginawa ko siyang comedy. Ginawa ko siyang suspense trailer na comedy na fun. Because I feel that it should resonate a broader audience. At sa akin lang sana, we don't only talk about the elections and politicians and the electoral process and democracy only during election time. Because it's too late. If we're gonna play catch up again, if we're gonna try to clean up the elections again, pag election ulit, which is next year, wala mag-improve. Paulit-ulit tayo. And the same process of guns, goods, and gold, and not the truth, and not the voice of these people will rule this country. And hindi ever mag-emerge ang mga matitinong kandidato, hindi mananalo ang mga tao na may talagang puso para sa mamamayan kung hindi natin pag-uusapan at aayusin ang sistema. Wala na akong tiwala sa mga politiko. Dapat sa taong bayan na magmula ang pagbabago nito. Kaya na may ginawa. At ito lang po, sobrang hirap ng proseso ng paggawa ng pelikula na ito. Siguro natirapas lang namin siya dahil sa blood, sweat, tears at pagpapautang ng mga kaibigan at mga kakilala. So, I would really like to recognize them, especially the sacrifices they made. So, unahin ko na muna ang aming lead actress, Ms. Maria Rivera. I just want to tell people na sa film namin, ginamit namin yung actual ballot boxes from 2007. Kita pa rin yung mga sugat ni Marian as a result of her not doing stunt doubles and doing anything. And tawagin ko na rin yung cast. Nandito si Donna Carriaga, si Will Ashley, si Sasa Bern, si Lilia, at si Isabella. Siguro po, panawagan ko lang kasi sa totoo lang yung batch namin. Tawagin niyo ng competition to, pero hindi kami nagpo-compete sa isa't isa. Grabe yung tulungan namin sa isa't isa. Grabe yung emotional support namin. As part of it, sa totoo lang, hindi ko matatakas na pelikula pa kung doon sinuportahan ng mga batchmates ko. So, at nabasa namin yung mga script ng isa't isa at magaganda sila lahat. Sulit na sulit po itong batch na to. Walang tapon, hindi kayo lugi. Bumalik po tayo sa sinyan, panoorin natin lahat.